Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am going to be doing an unboxing tonight of a ThredUp fun box. Our ThredUp fun box is actually fun. I don't know, sometimes they really are. I've gotten some, they're always fun to open, I will say that much, because there's a variety of items in there. And for anyone who is watching for the first time and doesn't know this, a fun box is full of items that ThredUp, which is an online consignment store, receives from their consigners, but the items are just not something they sell, and they're usually new. They're usually new with tags, in fact. I have gotten a purse that I sold for $100, and I've gotten full boxes of just junk too, so it's exciting to open them. That's what makes them exciting, because if it's good one time and not good the next, it's even more enticing the next time, isn't it though? So anyway, I've got a fun box here to open up, and it is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. It's probably medium weight. And yeah, let's open it up and see what I got. By the way, I'm an eBay reseller. I sell on eBay. That is my platform. I've been doing it for many years, part-time. Some of the stuff that I get in here I can sell. I've gotten swimsuits, lingerie, bras. So we always get socks, it seems like. Sometimes you'll get a belt. So a really big variety of stuff you get in these boxes. So, all right, here is the box. And got it, all right. Oh, get a little more tape. All right, here is, oh, by the way, yeah, the packing slip is right here. It was coming out of the box, so I just pulled it out, so there we go. All right, here is the first look. I don't see any ringers in there for sure, but you know what? That doesn't mean anything, because I haven't seen everything in there. But, hats, I love selling hats. I especially love selling felt/wool cowboy hats. Those are great. Oh gosh, this is pretty. Look at this. Okay, I don't feel like this is cheap. I feel like this is not cheap, as a matter of fact. Let's see, what is this? Intimacy. That is a nice piece of lingerie there. It's kind of nude. It's got nude lining, and then it's got this pretty lace on it. I don't know if it's new or, I don't know, intimacy. I don't know that brand, but let's just see what the size is. Here is the tag. I'm going to show you the tag. It's kind of like a see-through tag. I don't see a size on this though, is the only thing. But it's really pretty. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more searching here. But it's really a cool looking piece. Look at that. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how that goes. All right, here is a hat, and the hat is CC. I don't know what this is made of. It looks like a faux leather tie around it. The tag is still on it. It says CC is the name. This tag is still on it, and then there was a handwritten price tag, but I can't see what it says. There's the name. It's a really nice hat. It's kind of a westernish hat. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's kind of like a little bit stiff. It's really a nice hat. I'm sorry, ooh. What do you think? I actually like it. It's super cute. All right, well, I don't know if that'll sell, but it's a really nice hat. Well, now we've got the token socks. We can't really get out of this box without a pair. Oh, my hair's a little crazy now. Well, it's always kind of a little crazy. All right, we've got some cozy socks. Some Earth Dream Silk. Okay, TJ Maxx tag is still on it for $6.99. Now, if you follow me, you know that I don't like things that make me hot. So these will not be staying in my drawer. Either I'll use them as a giveaway with some boots or something, but I will not be keeping those. Okay, so you get 10 items in these boxes for $34. I've already opened 3. We've got the lingerie, the hat, and the socks. But we still have 7 left, which is weird. Oh, what is this? Okay. Oh, I love frogs. Oh my gosh, look at how, okay, I'm a sucker for a cute little stuffed animal. I know. I just love it. Look at how cute that little frog is. That is, I don't know what I'm going to do with this frog. I'm going to have to keep him. He's so cute. Oh, I don't know if it's new or not. And I've never seen a stuffed animal come in one of these. But anyway, I love it. I love it. I'll keep that one. All right, here's something. Oh, golly. Okay. What? All right, this is just about as cheesy as can be. Really? Oh, rain bonnet. It looks like it's from the 50s. I used to have a neighbor named Lillian, and she kept, like, garbage and, like, would say, oh, look at, she would save, like, the bottles that pills came in. She would save them. Like, I don't know why, but this reminds me of her. Just seems like this probably came from many years ago. I don't know. A rain bonnet. Do people still wear those? I don't know. Okay, rain bonnet. Probably cost 42 cents at Ben Franklin many years ago. All right, next up is another cheesy thing, which cute design, but it's a passport holder and it's made of plastic, and I guess maybe it keeps your passport nice. I don't know. But anyway, passport holder. I don't know if it's new. It looks new, but all right, well, what's this now? Let's see. I hope it's something good. It's a watch. Okay, it's a cute watch. I don't know what the brand is. Here it is. Isn't that cute? It's got a picture of the world, you know, all the countries on it. I don't know. The strap looks leather. It looks real leather, but I'm just going to see if I can open it up here. Genuine leather. That is super cute. Look at that. I love to travel, so I don't know. That it looks like it is worn. It is used. I cannot find the name on here. I cannot find the brand name, but before I post this video, I'll find it. But that's a cute watch. Not new, but let's see. Yeah, the battery isn't working. I have new batteries. I know how to change them, so I can change that. That's not a problem. So, okie dokie. Next thing. What in the world? Oh golly. Okay, here we've got a headband. We have got a like a leopard stripe, leopard print headband. I don't see any name on it. You know who likes headbands, right? Christina, my friend Christina from Stina Resells. So, all right, that is a really nice headband. I don't wear headbands. I don't think they look right on me, but it's fun to try. Actually, I kind of do like that. Oh, I've never worn one in my whole life. Never ever. Like I don't know. It feels kind of, what's the word? I don't know what the word is. It feels kind of 1950s, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna wear that for the rest of the video. I might be keeping that, I think. All right, here is a belt. Okay, this is a nice belt. It's more like a strap. Salt is the brand. And it's like a guitar strap kind of strap. That is really, really cute. Okay, that's a good quality strap right there. That is real leather. Look at this. And then it's, you know, it's got a tiny bit of stretch to it too. So I really don't know if it looks like a strap for like a purse or a bag or something. Maybe a briefcase. I don't know the brand Salt, but it looks like a really nice strap. So I'm gonna have to look that up and see. All right, one left. I don't know why it's funny doing these boxes. All right. This is Charmosa, whatever that thing. Oh, we got the. What in the heavens? What is it? Oh wait, I forgot the token sunglasses that are mixed up in the fabric here. All right, we've got this Charmosa Missy. I don't know what this is. Anyone else? I guess it's a vest. It's got these fringes on the bottom. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can put it on. Whoop. All right, Charmosa. A little odd. Not really my thing, but you know, someone might like it. Put over some kind of an outfit. I don't. It looks like it's tie-dye t-shirt kind of material. Here is the brand. Charmosa. I think it's one size fits most. So, yeah, okay. I don't know if it's new. It looks new. It doesn't look like it has any wear to it. Here's the back of it. Wait. Here's the back of it. A little odd. Okay. So there's that vest. There is this. Yeah, I haven't shown you these yet. These are Mr. Boho. Mr. Boho sunglasses. Is it Mr. Boho? Yep, Mr. Boho. Can you see that? Okay, these are nice. I don't really wear sunglasses, but I don't know. I think they're nice. I've never heard of that brand name before. So we've got, those are two. We've got the watch for number 3. We've got the cheesiest thing on earth for number 4. We've got the headband for number 5. The frog for number 6. Another cheesy thing for number 7. A hat for number 8. This cool lingerie thing for number 9. Super cute, by the way. And this strap or belt or whatever it is for number 10. I don't know. You know what? I do have to say, these are fun to open. They are. So, okay, we'll take this off. We'll go like that. All right. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're interested in buying any of these things, just email me at mysteffstyle@gmail.com and have a wonderful day.